Preparing your garage floor for epoxy used to mean renting heavy floor grinders and dealing with that choking concrete dust. Well, not anymore. Meet SkipGrind, the game-changing 3-component primer that removes mechanical grinding entirely, which saves you time, money, and labor. First, you're going to want to dampen your concrete with a garden hose and squeegee all standing water. Pour the contents of A and B into a 5-gallon bucket and thoroughly mix for about 30 seconds, scraping the edges and the bottom of the bucket. Then slowly, and I mean slowly, add Part C powder. It is critical for you to thoroughly blend and wet out this dry mix. Mixing the powder too quickly will cause lumps in your primer. Pour the entire bucket in wavy ribbons onto your damp concrete, working your corners first, then from back of the garage to the front. Do not tip your bucket upside down to drain. Use your notch squeegee to spread these ribbons and follow up with your roller to distribute evenly. Mix and apply your next batch if needed and repeat this process, working your way out of the garage. Give your SkipGrind primer 18 hours to cure before applying your epoxy, and wipe your tools down with acetone or xylene to clean.